Pakistan's water profile has changed drastically from being a water-abundant country to a water-stressed country. By the mid of 19th century, per capita availability of water in Pakistan was 5,000 cubic meters, which is now reduced to less than 1,000 cubic meter per person. The principal reason behind is the rapid population growth, which has swelled to 207 million in 2017 from 33 million in 1947. On supply side, climate change has worsened the already water-stressed situation to make it even worse, which is a huge challenge ahead. The glaciers are the main source of water. The vast glaciers of Hindu Kush Himalayan range provide water to 1.3 billion, including Pakistan. But they are fast receding, mainly because of increase in global temperature. The dire implications of glaciers melt upon water, food, and energy security have already been felt and are worsening with the passage of time.
Whatever water we have in our system, more than 60% of it is lost between source and sinks. When it is stored and transported and wherever it is applied, more than 60% is lost. So this is the area where major focus needs to be applied.
We are relying heavily on this fresh water, and once the population is growing, then this percentage per capita will further go down. So I think there are bigger challenges coming in the usage of the water.
Over the years, new challenges in water sector have emerged. Inefficient water management, poor implementation of water laws, water wastage, and lack of data on water resource usage by different sectors on the economy are major current challenges. The dwindling freshwater resources are also threatened by anthropogenic processes such as rapid and unregulated urbanization, water-intensive farming and industrialization, and untreated industrial and household waste, which are causing severe water pollution. Founded in December 2014, US-Pakistan Center for Advanced Studies in Water at Mehran University of Engineering and Technology Jamshoro is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to tackle these new challenges. Funded by the US aid, the center is dedicated to resolve Pakistan's water crisis through applied research, developing specialized human resource and technologies, academia-industry collaboration, and policy advice.
This center is, in principle, a center to educate people based on the new ground realities rather than old realities. That's number one. Number two, it is also a center that is supposed to provide policy advice.
The center was established primarily to provide quality professionals in various fields related to the water. We started 4 programs, master's program, irrigation and drainage engineering, environmental engineering, integrated water resource management, and WASH, water and sanitation and health.
Access to clean water is fundamental to sustainable development. Despite the central role of water in human development, 27.2 million Pakistanis still do not have access to safe water, and 52.7 million do not have access to adequate sanitation facilities. To improve the quality of life, this Water Research Center has aligned its vision with the government to help elevate the capacity of Pakistan to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal 6. Within a short span of time, the center has established a national water research network and running around more than 100 research projects focusing on SDG 6.
All 100 research projects are targeting all 6 SDGs. In water quality, we have around 20-25 research projects. In environment side, we have some about 10 to 15 research projects. In IWR, we have also some number of the projects.
Basically, center has taken or assumed the leadership role that we are going to work on the water SDG. And so our whole research program, which is applied research program, it is linked to all the 6 targets of the water SDG.
We are carrying out the research to identify the sources of pollution and to identify the gaps in management, and we are working on almost all the targets of sustainable goal number 6.
How to achieve the sustainable development goal? This center will, you can say, producing engineers and water managers. They can solve the problems.
Consisting of 7 state-of-the-art labs and top-notch faculty with advanced curriculum, this center is the country's premier applied research institute in water sector. From the very beginning, the center had started enrolling students for master's and PhD classes in 4 specialized water disciplines, including irrigation and drainage, integrated water resources management, environmental engineering and water, sanitation and health, WASH.
We are producing graduate students who would be coming into the market very soon, and they are the leaders of tomorrow. They are the water managers of tomorrow.
I am working on water desalination. So we are developing a nanofiber membrane in order to remove salts from water through adsorption as well as diffusion techniques.
The integrated water resource management degree helped me to see the water challenges, especially the governance challenges we are facing today.
The curriculum was quite updated. The subjects and their content was quite relevant to the problems of the prevailing conditions in the Pakistan.
We are engaging really aggressively for treatment of wastewater on lab scale level as well as pilot scale level. We have some collaboration with the industry also. So we are providing solution to industry directly.
One single most important thing for the university is to create the reservoir, and I'm using the word with all the responsibility, the reservoir of the water specialists, so that they can do all the different areas of research, and that research must be, I would say, world class.
With the target of awarding at least 250 degrees to the students during 5 years of the project. First batch comprises 38 students of master degree program has recently completed their specialized degrees. These students also participated in the US Study Exchange Visit program as part of their degree.
After coming from UTA, the thing which changed not in me, in all my colleagues, is that we start thinking out of the box.
That exchange was a very incredible experience for me, especially if we talk about in terms of research. So while working with them, I learned a lot how to develop the protocols to perform the experiments in the lab.
We learned there that how to deal, how to bring those techniques and skills here in Pakistan and implement them.
We have established this lab and we have lot of advanced technology. We bought so many advanced equipment, especially physical, chemical and biological parameters of water.
We foresee future water leaders from our institute. In the future, they will be at the key positions of policy making and all that, and they will play their role.
And so our approach is to use twinning, in which we facilitate relationships to be built between researchers at Mehran University and within Pakistan, working on particular water problems with researchers in the United States and elsewhere that can help to support them.
Gender equality and women empowerment is one of the major components of the center, where women faculty and students are encouraged to actively participate in the applied research. The center has developed and approved its gender policy as well. To achieve the target of 50% female enrollment ratio, the center has enrolled an average ratio of 31% in last 3 years. To ensure gender balance, a girls' hostel sponsored by Sindh government was also established within the vicinity of university, where female students provided free accommodation.
When there are water shortages, the impact on women is maximum because they are the ones who deal with the human consumption and utilization of water.
With the collaboration of USAID, it's a better platform for a new MSc student to work towards water.
The main reason why I chose IWRM is because it integrates the social, economic, legal factors, all of it.
Another important component of the project is sustainability of the center beyond 2020. For this purpose, the Centre has established a very strong national water research network, besides developing linkages with private sector, government agencies, academia and think tanks. The Centre is conducting joint research projects on water-related issues in collaboration with its partners. Besides working on the commercialization of technologies, the Centre has won more research projects which will further strengthen its sustainability.
With the collaboration of this Centre, we are working on two very important projects. Number one is the monitoring of the Manchar Lake, and secondly, one of the major issues which has not been researched thoroughly so far is the seawater intrusion.
Mehran University has coordinated with us and contacted us, and we made the MOU. And under that MOU, we are proceeding further. We are also, exchanging our data.
This center is helping us in undertaking action research, and also another positive aspect of this center is that it is helping for developing industry and academia linkages.
It would be good if they come up with solutions, but solutions, we don't want them to be too much expensive.
People's well-being and financial sustainability is profoundly linked to the availability and efficient use of water. The Centre plans to train and inspire the next generation of water sector professionals with the state-of-the-art techniques and cutting-edge knowledge to meet specialized demands of society, government, municipalities, as well as industry.